Top 10 Facts About Siberian Cats You Didn't Know. 1. Siberian cats came to Siberia with immigrants at the end of 16th century. 2. They are result of adaptation to severe continental climate. 3. Male of the Siberian cats are bigger than female. 4. Siberian cats are close to the Norwegian forest and Americans' Maine Coons breeds. 5. Their bodies are massive and thick, slightly prolonged, but proportional. 6. They have a long and dense waterproof fur. 7. Around neck, they have a beautiful collar. 8. Their back legs covered some sort of panties. 9. They have a strong and rounded paws with fur between toes. 10. They have green eyes and long mustaches, like foxes. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.